Paleo diet versus Atkins diet. It is important to note that both the Paleo diet and the Atkins diet are low-carbohydrate diets. The difference in the two diets lies in the purpose of adopting each of the diet plans. This difference can therefore be analyzed by looking at each of the diets individually, then trying to compare between the two. To begin with, the Paleo diet is a kind of diet that is based on adopting a particular lifestyle. This involves eating of food that was originally eaten by our ancestors when there was no technology to process the food as well as agricultural farming. This therefore meant that people of this era depended on food that was collected by the hunters and gatherers. This diet is limiting to some extent as it does not provide an individual with a variety of options to choose from, as is the case in Paleo diet menu. Additionally, this program allows people to feed on fruits and vegetables as companions to the proteins. This therefore makes the diet quite healthy as a number of nutrients are ready to be absorbed and available from the diet. There is also high intake of fatty acids, which are essential in the functioning of the body. This diet is liked and is highly recommended because of its ability to reduce and limit diseases that are currently heightened by the poor feeding habits that involves highly processed and refined foods. On the other hand, Paleo diet is totally different from the Atkins plan because while Paleo diet totally restricts grains or legumes in any form, Atkins program does allow using limited amount of carbs, and these may be sourced from unprocessed and unrefined carbs. With the Atkins weight loss plan, the main intention is to lose weight fast, and thus initially, people subsist on food that does not have any amount of carbohydrates. This omission of carbohydrates in the dietary list tricks the body into starving that leads to losing weight faster than one could imagine. Paleo diet does not encourage any fasting or restriction on metabolism, as carbs are being consumed in form of veggies and fruits. Additionally, Atkins plan emphasizes on eating lots of fat and protein, which is not a healthy choice. This kind of diet allows the intake of carbohydrates once loss of weight is experienced. The sole purpose of this plan is losing weight, while Paleo diet focuses on losing weight and staying healthy too. Therefore, it is evident that Paleo diet and Atkins diet vary in the content that has to be taken as well as the main purpose as to why they are taken.